If I don't taste avocado in my Sinh bowl, I'm left needing more. So today I'll be showing you how to make an easy Vietnamese avocado smoothie to keep you very satisfied.
Mama ye sek fan, mami daddy sek fan. Ba mẹ ăn cơm.
Hi, I'm Jeanette, and here at Walking Kin I share my childhood recipes so you can reconnect with yours. I don't know about you, but whenever I go to a Vietnamese restaurant, I'm often disappointed because my Sinh bowl tastes more milky than it does like avocado. So here's my solution. To start, you'll need to halve 2 ripe avocados. Twist to open each half, then remove the pit by gently knocking the knife into the pit and giving it a twist. Scoop the fruit into a blender and pour in half a cup of milk, 2.5 tablespoons of condensed milk, any leftovers can be stored in a repurposed coffee jar like Mum does, and a 1/4 cup of ice. A full list of these ingredients can be found at walkingkin.com, where we share step-by-step instructions so you can cook this recipe at your own pace. Blend everything together until it reaches the consistency you want. We like ours thick, but if you want it thinner, just add more milk. Now if you don't have a blender, you can make a quick version like this. Put the avocado in a cup along with the condensed milk, then use a spoon to smash everything together. It's a great alternative because you get added texture. And there you have it, our family's Sinh bowl. Making it at home means you can control it all. The thickness, how sweet it is, and how many avocados you add. For a drink you'll always be satisfied with, here are our tips for the best results. Number 1, use full cream milk. This will make it a richer drink. Number 2, don't go overboard on the ice. Using too much ice will dilute the avocado's flavour. Number 3, use ripe Hass avocados that are soft when pressed into. These are creamier, which work well for this recipe. Now it's time for you to make your own Sinh bowl. The best part is you can add as many avocados as you like and never be disappointed again. To get the best home cooking experiences, like and subscribe to our channel for more. If you want a dish that pairs well with this fruit shake, check out Mama's Vietnamese beef stew, and I'll see you in the next video.